Just lay down on your back. I'm just going to talk you through a little guided meditation to finish. So this is just a visualization meditation that I learned off Ram Dass. So when everyone's chilled out, we'll start. All right, we'll start by taking 3 big breaths in. So let's just go now. 1, into the belly, up into the chest, and then letting go. Big breath in, up into the belly, up into the chest, and letting go. Deep into the belly, up into the chest, and letting go. Now I want you to visualize yourself sitting cross-legged in your spiritual heart, which is just on your solar plexus, just above your solar plexus, in the middle of your chest. So there's a little mini you sitting on like a lotus flower, cross-legged. Okay, on our next inhale, you're going to imagine that being slightly growing by maybe 1 to 2 centimeters. So breathing in, that being gets a little bit bigger. Okay, next breath in, he's going to get bigger again. Let's grow by a couple of inches now. Now the being's probably about the size of your chest. Okay, next breath in. We're going to do a big breath in. That being's going to grow to the same size as your body. So big breath in. Same size as you are. Okay, now with the next breath in, you're going to grow again, this time outside of your body. Breathing in, you grow to the size of this room. So now you're encapsulating everybody in this room in your being. Stay this size for a couple of short breaths. Okay, now we're going to grow even bigger. Next breath, we breathe in. Our being grows to the size of the Sunshine Coast. Now everything inside it is inside you. All right, now we're going to get bigger again. With the next breath in, we breathe in and we're up in the clouds. We can look down on a huge part of the east coast of Australia. Remember, this is just a big version of you sitting, and it's encapsulating everything. Think about everything that's going on inside you at the moment, and what what everyone is doing. Just living their lives, doing their best. On the next inhale, we grow bigger again. Now we're the size of Australia, so we can see the whole size of Australia inside us. Think about all the things happening right at this very moment that's all inside you. Okay, on the next inhale, we're going to go even bigger. This time we're going to pull right out into the universe and see the whole earth. So breathing in. We've grown so big now that we can see the whole earth from space. One more time, we get bigger. We breathe in. We can see every planet from as far away as we can possibly conceive. Just a cluster of planets, but it's all inside us. Okay, on this next inhale, we breathe in. And now we shatter into everything. So we are no longer here, we are just energy out in the vastness of the universe, or whatever that is. Okay, with the next inhale, we're going to come back into form. We breathe in. We're back looking at the whole universe. We exhale. We breathe in again. We shrink down to the earth so we can just see the earth now. We breathe in again. We can just see Australia. Remember, this is all inside us, all encapsulated in us. Okay, we breathe in again. We shrink back down to the Sunshine Coast and everyone and everything in it. Okay, last breath in. We shrink back down into the top of this roof. And I just want you to find your body laying there. What does that body look like? Where does that body have pain? One more big breath in. We come back into our body. We send ourselves as much love as we can. And we can open our eyes when we're ready. Nice. Hopefully we astral traveled. Cool. And just slowly coming back to.